The Bulls 3500 polishing machine delivers high efficiency and precise polishing. It uses advanced manufacturing processes to ensure consistent quality and accuracy. Matched with Bulls polishing fixture and no need to adjust the equipment, the machine can polish 36 SC connectors at one time. Matched with patent fixture of Bulls, polishing film save more than 30%. Its polishing speed, 30 to 160 rpm, and slow start time, 0-15s, can be independently adjusted for each step, providing flexibility and ensuring the product quality. Additionally, it helps extend the lifespan of the polishing film. With a bilingual interface, Chinese-English, the machine is user-friendly, highly durable, and waterproof, making it a reliable choice for any workspace. Featuring patented technologies in equipment structure, positioning, and fixture design, the Bulls 3500 offers excellent 3D stability and data concentration. This machine can polish a smooth and excellent end face while maintaining consistent in the end face accuracy.